Good day, ma'am and sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to speak with you today. My name is May Sibilia. I am 46 years old. I am single with partner. I have two children, 19 years old boy and 6 years old girl. I am hardworking, patient, trustworthy, and reliable helper with 3 years experience working in country of Singapore. In my previous role, I am responsible for the full household management, including deep cleaning, ironing, laundry, cooking, and marketing. I am also experienced taking care of elderly, taking care newborn baby, toddler, 16 months old, and a small dog. I am looking new employer because I want to support my family. If you choose me to hire ma'am and sir, I will assure you I will follow all your rules, learning new skills, and adapting your family routine. Thank you so much.